I recently did this Ayurvedic Detox program. It's a 10-day program, and the idea is you use oil, particularly ghee, which is clarified butter that you remove the allergens. It has high butyric acid. It heals the gut lining. It also has pentadecanoic acid, which is a brain food, and it crosses the blood-brain barrier, and it helps with the cognitive function. So you use ghee as a detox oil, and you use some Ayurvedic oil depending on your body's constitution, if it's Vata, Pitta, or there's a third one. And you, what is called Abhyanga massage, which is self-massage. You use this oil to massage yourself. And the idea is most of the detox programs out there, they are based on juice diet, and they're water-based. They're really not addressing most of the toxins that are stores in the fat tissue. And with Panchakarma, this Ayurvedic diet, you are, in these 10 days, you are removing these fat-soluble toxins. And not only there is a diet that you have to follow, it is a vegetarian diet, and it is called khichdi. So it's a certain spice that you use, certain tea that you can drink, and the food base is really basmati rice and a variety of beans that you like. It's called mung dal, that you add to your rice and to the spices, and this is what you eat in that 10 days diet. And there are 3 levels in human body, and they are targeting all these 3 levels: the physical body, the emotional body, the spiritual body. So you are sometimes the emotions come out that you don't even think was bothering you. I'm going to create another video, and I'm going to lay down the exact way this diet is done.